back in action. We're back in the action, boys. First things first, super sorry for the unsick lighting and setup in this video. Today was actually my off day. I had a bunch of meetings I had to do. Then I came home and got this package, so I had to make this video. Plus, my girlfriend's inside with her family. Last thing I need right now is them to actually see real NameBran and see that everything I've put out for them is, in fact, fake personality. So we have to film in here today, boys. But first off, I'm gonna tell you guys a little story about what we're unboxing right now. But before we do that, please leave W's down below because I'm trying to stick it to this company that's just wronged me, if that makes sense. Actually, no, let me explain. So if you have been with the channel for a while, you know that I've had this series in the past that I actually quit a year ago, which was buying certain items off Instagram. You know, when you see Instagram ads, it's like, buy this 70% off, buy this $50, whatever. It could be Yeezys, could be Supreme, and a whole lot of other things. I thought I'd try it again because I actually saw this ad on Instagram that said, we have free shoes. They're gonna send you shoes for free, you just pay shipping. I thought it'd be a dope video. Who doesn't want free shoes? So I thought I'd pull the trigger on it. Now this might be kind of stingy, but this is kind of how it goes in the YouTube world. Once you have like a little bit of pull and you are going to be advertising a company for free, generally you hit them up and see if you can get a deal. What would the deal be when I'm getting free shoes? Well, I hit them up asking if I could get free shipping so I could just do this whole video for free. I'm not going to not do that. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to use this clout for something. If girls aren't going to work, I'm going to fucking use it on this. What happened in the conversation at this point is I hit them up being like, yo, can I get these shoes like for free? And I'll make a video, and you know, if they're fake, I'm not going to promote them because they're probably going to be fake. It's an Instagram ad, for God's sake. But if they're real, I'll give you a good word, whatever. So I hit them up saying that, and this company, they really pissed me off because this company's like, man, we've had enough with you stupid YouTubers thinking you can get free things from us, da 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 da, this is our business too. And they kind of went off of me. So at this point, I'm like, I'm not really taking that lightly because it's like, bro, you don't understand what advertisement is then, because I'm going to bring a lot more people to your website unless you're selling fake things, maybe not, which is probably why they were scared. We kind of got back and forth. I can't remember exactly what happened, but they were being like pretty hostile towards me and I was giving it back to them. And long story short, it ended up with me canceling my order because I bought them first and then I was like, oh shit, I should see if I could get free shipping. Anyway, I canceled the order with them. I was like, fuck you guys, whatever. So today, I get a package in the mail from these guys and apparently they sent the shoes regardless. So apparently, I scammed them and I took a big W off of these So I guess when I canceled my order, they just like had a shitty team along with their shitty personality and forgot that I canceled my order and actually shipped out the item. So we got a big win here, boys. We got a big box here. And today we're unboxing free sneakers from Instagram. So here's the package we got, boys. I'm just covering up my address so y'all don't see it, but I'm gonna say right now it's really light, and what can I expect? Probably not gonna be real shoes from this order. I can't remember what shoes I picked. Without further ado, I just needed to make this video to stick it to them, and I'm probably gonna send this video to them being like, hey, you guys suck even more because I just got free shoes from you. So comment down below, leave a thumbs up. NameBran Fab's real strong. Instagram's right here. Dude, it's a W all the way around. I might leave their link so you guys can go trash them, which is illegal, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Okay. Oh. This is the point, if you guys don't remember my old channel, we used to do legit checks on sneakers and stuff like that. I know my Yeezys, and I actually, yep, I did get 2 pairs of Yeezys here, which is super light. So I'm gonna do the legit check, we're gonna go through it. Also, I'll give away 1 pair to you guys as well while we do this. So without further ado though, boys, we have an empty fucking box. What the fuck? It's an empty fucking box? Oh, fuck you! One note. You fuck! Guys, fuck! This is my grandma's car. Shit. Okay, yeah, I am going to put this video up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to find their Instagram, I'm going to link it, and I'm going to let you guys do whatever you want. I'm not going to tell you to do something bad on their Instagram and report their page. I'm sorry, boys. I took an L. I took a L from these fucking idiots. I'm gonna put this up on YouTube 100% because I think that this might be comedic to other people, and I think once I edit it, I might find this kind of like funny content, but I'm really fucking pissed right now, and I don't know what I can do. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is not what I expected at all. I'm not even pissed there's no shoes in there. I'm pissed that they fucking did that. Appreciate all for watching. Thank God I filmed this outside. Boys, it's the next day after the biggest L of my lifetime. I just edited it up. I wasn't sure if I was going to put up this video, but it's actually kind of funny. Even though it's the hugest L and I'm still kind of pissed off. Anyway, thankfully, we have our sponsors of this video, Rose Gold and Black, who sponsored the biggest L of my life, which is so great. But if you guys want to go check out Rose Gold and Black, they sponsor all these videos, or at least like one a week they do. Dope stuff. They got bracelets, got a bunch of other stuff. Actually, if you click the link down below, 25% off discount code that you guys can use. They also have watches on there. Just click the link, it like tracks it, it makes me look good. Leave a comment down below. Did they wrong me, or did I just take it out? Because like, I also came off so cocky at the beginning, man. I really thought I got them, but I didn't. So you guys let me know. I guess this video is not going to be 10 minutes. Because I thought at least I'd have 10 minutes because I was reviewing shoes, but that didn't work. Appreciate y'all for watching. New video tomorrow. The gang. Bye. You want to say a quick what's up to the boys?
Hey boys, how's it going? Big Festy Friday.
Big Festy Fridays.
Yeah.